Nababo kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we promote businesses here in Pampanga. And for this video, we would like to thank Pacakabsii for sending us these amazing food packages. If I may share, ito po yung kanilang website. And they are hailing actually from San Nicolas, Magalang, Pampanga. Guys, if you check out their fan page, from their description, sabi niya, food to go. They do homemade desserts, pastries, sweets, goodies, and kakanin that are made to order. Actually, almost anything you can eat. Ang pinadalaan nila sa atin, guys, ay yung mga chicken wings nila and this pork embutido via courier carrier. Before I taste them, guys, let me introduce to you one by one. So, ang unang box natin dito is honey glazed chicken wings. And then, next food box natin, guys, ay honey garlic. Ang next food box natin ay garlic soy. And then, the last one, of course, hindi mawawala sa mga chicken wing yan, hot and spicy buffalo wings. And lastly, at the center, yung kanilang homemade pork embutido. Yeah, so let's get into it. First, guys, let me taste muna yung pork embutido nila. Okay, let's taste it. Oh wow. Oh wow. So, guys, sobrang dalang ko lang maka-appreciate ng mga embutido meals. But this one is, although it is small for its size, yung lasa niya is sobrang malinamnam. You know, right next to taste, again, this is the honey glazed. Every meal or every boxes has a mayo garlic dip. Let's taste it. Oh wow. Man. Wow. Hindi ako nakapagsalita for a while because really, guys, for a while I thought nalasahan ko it's actually garlic flavor, but it's not. So let's check out the difference dito sa honey garlic nila. Oh wow. You know what? We've featured siguro less than 20 restaurants dyan sa Magalang. And every time we go there, manyamala siguro talagang magluto rin taga Magalang. At the same time, the serving is really generous. For this size, for every box actually, I think it can accommodate like 3 people. It has a large cut ng mga chicken wings. Yeah. It's honey flavored. It's sweet, which I actually like. And then I think almost for my taste, halos magkalasa to, but yung garlic level nito is like 5 times dito. So if you are to ask me kung anong pipiliin ko between the two, I'll go for the honey garlic. Another meal na pinadala nila, again, this is the garlic soy. Yeah, let's taste it. Wow. Aside sa lasa, guys, I have to emphasize yung mga portion, yung cut portions nila are really huge. Again, if you are to ask me, among the 3, I would still go for the honey garlic. Once again, we would like to thank Pacakabsii for sending us these dishes. And yeah, commendation to sa mga taga Magalang. You guys rock when you cook, man. So lastly, this is hot and spicy wings. Oh wow, manyaman, masarap, malasa. Actually, kanin na lang yung kulang dito eh. So yeah, actually I'm gonna share this with my family. And just to wrap it up, if you are to ask me which is, my number one pick among the four, I would go for the honey garlic. Alright, so there you have it, guys. If you're looking for, homemade desserts, pastries, sweets, goodies, and mga kakanin, you also gotta check out Pacakabsii. This is from San Nicolas, Magalang, Pampanga. And again, I think this is the third time I'm saying this sa video. Manyaman ko pong magluto, taga Magalang. Wow! 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 So, as I always say, guys, please keep safe, stay at home, take advantage of the quarantine system. These are available for delivery, so make sure you contact them. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, keep safe. Manyaman po yung mamaman. Yan mo yung nasabi ko. Bye-bye!